everyone! Today I'm going to do a crafts project with my son. What's your name?
Theo.
How old are you?
4.
And what are we going to do today? We are going to glue these leaves to the paper. And what do we need?
Glue.
First, let's glue the leaves to the paper, okay? So let's squeeze the glue on the back of the leaves.
How to put it here?
Yeah. Let me spread it for you. Look, you're putting too much glue on one side, right? I'm gonna use like tissue to spread the glue over to the entire back of the leaf. And then now you can glue the leaf.
I'm gonna put it here. I'll put it here. Okay. Ta-da!
Very good. Where are you gonna put it? So you have to like stay outside of this line, right? Because this is our road, and then we're gonna put a car right here.
And one more for you. It's okay, I will share stuff to you.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I got more leaves now.
There are different leaves.
Different colors.
Different colors.
Because it's fall, right?
It's fall.
It's fall time.
It's fall time.
Now I'm just gonna wipe off the extra glue, okay? So it doesn't look very messy. Just gonna wipe off all that extra glue over here.
Now we can draw it.
Now we're gonna draw what?
The roads.
We have the road, and then we're gonna draw some rocks maybe. Are these rocks or what?
These are rocks.
Your rocks are pink. Mommy has long hair.
Daddy is right here. Daddy.
Okay, that is right here.
See the apples all the way down here.
Apple fell from the tree. We did it! Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye bye!
Bye.